Oklo, happy trick or treat, higher highs coming. I'm going to draw a trend line right here. We're up $1.70 right now, and we had a pullback, and now we're going to monitor the testing very carefully on the upper end of resistance. There it is right there. So all eyes on higher highs. Part of our training was how to buy pullbacks. That 10-day is rising. All the indicators are turning up. We've only been open now for 30 minutes. So there's a long day ahead, and these are the trend lines that we're looking at. Resistance, and that we did start out the right way. Okay, it's the end of the quarter. OKLO remains the best of the breed. For you people that aren't invested, too bad for you.